Hey guys, check out this. Please subscribe. And I'm Jivesh. I'm White Devil actually to say. And then check out and then please subscribe, comment, and please like and share this video and subscribe again. Thank you. No. How many guys have cars? Now almost all India has cars. And such a great car. The old Ford Fiesta 2006. It's a good car and an awesome car. It has best capabilities in the engine, and the engine runs for some 6 years. And now we'll check out the interior of the car. Hey guys, see the interior and see the dashboard of the car and see the steering of the car and the speedometer. This is the radio, but actually we changed the radio because I like the Ford radio was awesome, but we forgot the pin and we changed it. And this place is for where you can keep guards or some idols. And this is the back rear mirror, and this is the side mirror. See, and we have awesome thigh rest, and we have here so we can pull or push the thing. And now we're going to check the boot space of the car. Check the boot space. It has a good boot space, and down it has some tire space where we can store tires. And this is a good awesome space which any car doesn't have this except Innova. Innova also has little, but this Ford Fiesta is epic and awesome so that it has so much of space. Now see, we have a logo at the back and the logo at the steering. Now we'll check out the engine. Wait guys. And guys, check out. This is the old Ford Fiesta Dura Torque TDCI engine, and this is the Amaron battery. This is the Viper thing. And now we have a brief description have this car. Now we check out the other descriptions of the car. And guys, we have the logo at the front, the Ford, and the lights and the diamond shape. And these we have the indicators and the tire. It's a long sedan car where you can travel for long journeys, and it's a damn good car. Now we'll see some features of the car. Come guys, we'll check out some features and headlamps of the car. See guys. And wait guys. see guys. Okay guys, we'll check out for the next videos, and bye, take care.